Hello students, today you'll be learning about a very important tool that you'll be using in your electronics classes. It's called the multimeter. I hope you're as excited as I am to get started. Alright, let's go! Okay, so about the multimeter is a powerful tool that helps you to understand what is happening in your circuits. It can be used during the circuit design, when you're analyzing the circuits, or even when you're troubleshooting. And by the way, this is it right here. So this is one example of the multimeter. However, you'll find that there are many types of multimeters. This one is a digital multimeter, although you can also use an analog multimeter. They do the same thing. The main difference between each one is their pricing and the features that they have. You come to find that the digital multimeter is more expensive than the analog multimeter. But going on, there are various parts of the multimeter, and the main parts are the display, the selection knob, and then the ports. This is all you need to manipulate the multimeter and to check what's happening on your circuit. You should have a minimum knowledge of electronics before using a multimeter, otherwise you might damage it. For example, you can use a multimeter to measure voltage and current. However, before doing it in the real circuit, make sure the multimeter is connected correctly and the selector is placed in the right position. So in this example, I'll be connecting the plugs to the multimeter. Observe that the black goes to the black ports, and then the red, because I intend to measure voltage, I connect here. Make sure your connections are correct too. And then I can turn on my multimeter using the selection knob. Now, I can measure the value of voltage that is running through the LED. And there you have it. Very simple. Make sure you turn off your multimeter when you're done. We strongly recommend familiarizing yourself with these tools so that you can ensure that you do not damage it. And how do you familiarize yourself with the tools? Practice. Measure voltage, measure current. Take your time. I hope you have enjoyed this class and this very brief description of how to use a multimeter. We look forward to seeing your work. Bye!